National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for White County in northwestern Indiana, southwestern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rensselaer, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monticello, Monon, Walcott, Reynolds, Burnettsville, Smithson, Lee, Golden Hill, Indiana Beach, Norway, Idabel, Sitka, Cedar Point, Bell Center, and Buffalo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.